What is your problem?
I have a fever.
How long have you been sick?
Since yesterday.
Do you have pain?
Yes, I have a headache.
Is the pain severe?
No, it is mild.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
Are you feeling dizzy?
Yes, sometimes.
Did you take any medicine?
Yes, I took a tablet.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I am not.
Is this your first visit?
Yes, it is.
What is your age?
I am 25 years old.
Do you have diabetes?
No, I don't.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
Is your stomach fine?
No, I have stomach pain.
Do you feel weak?
Yes, very weak.
Can you walk properly?
Yes, I can.
Do you have nausea?
Yes, sometimes.
Is your throat sore?
Yes, it hurts.
Did you eat outside food?
Yes, yesterday.
Can I check your BP?
Yes, sure.
Is the pain on the left side?
Yes, it is.
Do you need an injection?
If required, yes.
Are you pregnant?
No, I am not.
Do you have chest pain?
No, I don't.
Since when are you coughing?
Since last night.
Can you breathe properly?
Yes, I can.
Are you feeling sleepy?
Yes, very sleepy.
Can you lie down here?
Yes, okay.
Do you need a blood test?
Yes, doctor advised.
When should I come again?
After 3 days.
Will I be fine soon?
Yes, don't worry.
Is this your first day at the gym?
Yes, it is.
Do you have a membership?
Yes, monthly.
What is your fitness goal?
I want to lose weight.
Do you want to build muscle?
Yes, I do.
Are you doing warm-up?
Yes, for 10 minutes.
How many reps should I do?
Do 12 reps.
Is this exercise safe?
Yes, totally safe.
Can you guide me?
Yes, of course.
Are you feeling tired?
Yes, very tired.
Should I drink water now?
Yes, take a sip.
Do you take protein?
Yes, daily.
Is cardio important?
Yes, very important.
How long should I run?
For 20 minutes.
Is this machine free?
Yes, you can use it.
Can I increase the weight?
Yes, slowly.
Do you train legs today?
Yes, it's leg day.
Are you feeling pain?
A little bit.
Is soreness normal?
Yes, it is normal.
Should I stretch after workout?
Yes, always.
How many days a week should I train?
5 days.
Are abs made in the gym?
No, in the kitchen.
Can girls lift weights?
Yes, absolutely.
Should I avoid junk food?
Yes, completely.
How long for visible results?
2 to 3 months.
Is rest day important?
Yes, very important.
Should I work out when sick?
No, take rest.
Is sweating good?
Yes, it detoxes.
Can I work out at night?
Yes, you can.
Do I need a trainer?
Beginner, yes.
Will I get fit with discipline?
Yes, 100%.